Good day, guys. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for Wednesday, December 11th. Today, guys, we had two great trades in one in Crude and one in the ES. We actually had our method creator Sam Goldberg came in and was explaining some things about some more advanced trades that we have, some different things you can do, how you manage them, and some of our overall philosophy. The first trade we had was called in Crude, was at right before the market opened, was at 98.15 area right here. I said we can go ahead and get short. That trade, while that trade was working, the stock market opened. We had something set up in the ES. I wanted to get us in right up here. I mentioned I was looking for a short. The price I said was 250. Some people put that on, but that never got filled. So we didn't really get in there. I was looking for a little bit better of a price, but I did mention from here it was coming down. So that one wasn't filled. Market kept coming down here right when this green candle happened right here, right at 8:45 Central Standard Time. I said that if the market gets down to 98.50, we would get short 98.75, which happened right here on this line. Took the market down, had my targets here the whole time. Once the market hit the first target, I added my second target, then I added my third target down here. By this point, by the time we hit these targets right in here, this area right here, on this red and green candle here, I basically, most people were out of the trade. There may have been a few that were still hanging on, so I drew the targets for them. Method creator Sam Goldberg came in, said for anybody who's out of the trade, wants to have some fun. He was showing us one of our more advanced trades. It's called a low-level S play. And we actually got some people took that for a point. Some people who were trying to hold for longer took a break even on the whole thing. That was good for a point there for those who just got out and took a point. Otherwise, it was a break even. Market continued to head down, and there may have been still some people short. Like I said, there was these targets here the whole time. This is actually still in progress, kind of for anybody who would be in. I doubt anybody is because the room's closed. But market came right down here, right to this target again. And right before Sam left the room, that was about 10:21 Central Standard Time, right on this candle here. He said the market's probably going to keep coming down from there, but there was no trade there. The market had already moved. We were in from way up here. Market already moved 8 points. If you're still in, you're in, but if you're not, then you wouldn't enter down here. And went down to that target, came down. I had mentioned before we left the room that we do have this other target down here, but that's not going to be activated or any chance of getting hit unless the market gets to 1788. What you did right on that candle, that opens up the door for 76.75, and then to our ultimate target of right down here, which will be hit. I mean, the markets is in trouble. I can't believe they're going to come down and within one tick of it. But either way, guys, we were in from all the way up here from 98.75. That's about 13 points. Whatever you grabbed out of that, you grabbed. Realistically, most people were 7-8 points, and they probably were out unless you had a lot of contracts. And on the crude trade, we were short there from the 98.15. Again, we had 15 penny target. We had a 30 penny target, which was right on this line right here. And then we had the ultimate target, which was my circle right here. And I said that the market probably would have trouble around 97.69. This is what we call a playground. And if you would have put your target there, that would have been hit as well, and you'd be out of the trade at that point. Sam also said on crude, if it got up to 98.13, which it did right here, that the market was going to go to 98.29, and there was no trade there because that was in the middle of news. But there was oil inventory, but he was just trying to show people the power of the methodology and what you can really understanding that you can have once you learn the method and how the markets work. So as we're recording this, that's being hit right there. That target was hit the top of the box. It can go anywhere in there, and we've got targets below. But just a great day, guys. Tomorrow we're going to come back and do it all over again. Check us out, www.futurestradingcoach.com. We offer full mentoring. We also offer this live call room. You can take a 3-day free trial. There is no credit card required. Just enter in a few pieces of information. You can come in here and see what we're doing for 3 days. And then from there you can decide whether or not you, if you love what you see, you can either stay in the call room or, as most people probably want to learn the methodology and it's all good so that you can own it and trade it on your own in any market or any time that you desire to trade. Other than just the call room hours. So we have a lot of good stuff going on here, guys. We're going to come back. We'll see you tomorrow. And everybody, I want everybody to have a great day. Bye-bye.